Let's do this Half Sister by Protomartyr. The first part of the song, you could just play it C minor. Northern Michigan, there was like a hit by lightning. You could just play it. That's the easiest way to play it. And then if you want to take that up a notch, you could go C minor, and then go to G minor to like on a little reset. What I think the guitar is playing is playing the C power chord on your strings 5 and 4, and then it's kind of going. It's kind of picking the G and the B string after that, and but that's still just a C minor chord. If you put distortion on, it'll sound like. Right, and then the third way to play that beginning section is you could go C, turn off the distortion. You could go C minor in Northern Michigan. That's incorporating what the bass is playing. Power chord, F power chord, and play it like this. And then it's kind of like played in twos. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, C sharp minor. Sounds better with distortion. That's pretty much the whole first part of the song. There is a little guitar riff. Stick to this note. And they alternate it with this. 6/4 on the B, 5 on the G, 5 on the D, 3 on the B. So we're basically coming down. We're basically starting here, ending here. All in the C minor pentatonic. All right, and then that continues the whole up until the verse where he starts talking about the horse getting shot, and then this chord is introduced. So that's this part 2. Chord. Always do your best. Do your very best. So we go G sharp, G minor, F. Oh. That's the riff played in part 2. It's basically, I think, right out of this G sharp major, but also C sharp minors right there too. So that's the first part. B string, 4th fret. G string, 5th fret. That's the riff. Always. Then it goes back to C minor. And that's the beginning of part 3. 3 measures of 4 on this C minor. no lyrics, just rocking out. Then it goes to A sharp major, or you could call it, I would probably call it B flat major at the 6th fret. Now you may ask, how did they get to B flat? You know, we were playing. Well, really, there's 2 sets of chords in this song. The first part revolves around C minor, G minor, and F. And the second part revolves around G sharp, B flat, and E flat. But these 3 are all major chords. Okay, the first 3 are all minor. Now they're gonna mix all these together. So, anyways, try to keep those in mind. So we're gonna go to these chords now, and it starts on B flat major. Truth is the half sister. Goes to G minor. Not be forgotten, F minor. And then it goes E flat major, C flat minor. Five chords. 1, truth is the half sister, will not be forgotten. And they're just playing out of that C minor. The scale is, but you could, this is just rough scale, you know, this is not all the notes, but 3/5 on the G, 3/4/6 on the B string, 3/4/6 on the high E. Of course, it keeps going down on the lower strings. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.